In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a doc in Coda.io. This is perfect when you want to create a backup, spin up a template for a new project, or experiment without touching the original. I'll walk you through each click, explain what you're seeing, and share a few helpful tips so your copy lands exactly where you want it. First, open the doc you want to copy. You can get there from your recent docs, your workspace list, or your favorites. Make sure you're looking at the correct version, especially if you manage multiple similar docs, so you don't duplicate the wrong one. Next, look to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see a three-dot menu, sometimes called the More menu. Click it to reveal a list of options related to managing your doc. From that menu, choose Copy Doc. This command creates a full duplicate of the entire doc rather than just a single page, which is great when you want to keep structure and content together. If you don't see the option, you may need viewing access to that doc or to expand your window so the menu fully appears. A pop-up will appear, and the first thing you can do is rename the copy. By default, Coda suggests copy of original name, but it's a good idea to pick something specific and descriptive right away. Clear naming saves you from mix-ups later, especially when you're handing off work to teammates or archiving older versions. Now choose the workspace and folder where the new copy should live. Think about where your team expects to find it and what permissions they have there. Keeping docs organized in the right folder reduces confusion and makes collaboration smoother. You'll also see optional toggles to exclude certain details in the copy. Turning off comments removes any discussion threads from the new version. Disabling suggestions strips out suggested edits so your copy starts clean. And if you toggle off page authors, those authorship badges won't carry over. These options are handy when you're preparing a fresh template or sharing a neutral version with a new audience. When everything looks correct, click Copy to finalize. Coda will process for a moment, and then your new doc will be ready in the location you selected. That's all there is to it. You now have a separate doc that won't affect the original, giving you freedom to iterate, test changes, and collaborate with confidence. Thanks for watching, and feel free to repeat these steps anytime you need a fresh copy.